Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I will be teaching you a quick and easy way to peel your beans or get your beans ready for Moi-Moi and Akara. I'm here to tell you your blender is not just for blending your beans, it can actually help to peel your beans. The first thing you have to do is pick out the stones in your beans in case your beans is not the finely packaged one. The one I'm using is finely packed. Then rinse the beans, pour in the blender and pause. On most blender there is actually a P symbol, or you see pause or auto clean. On my home blender it's written as pause, PULSE / auto clean. So all you have to do is just press and stop, just like a few seconds. Press stop, press stop, press stop. You don't have to do this for so long. You can actually check by opening your blender to see if it's done. So now mine is ready and I will just proceed with rinsing. And in this rinsing you have to keep rinsing until you can see the clear beans. This is after the 5th rinse. As you can see, my beans is ready with the exception of few which I have to use my hand for. And all you need to do at this stage is just pour some water and ensure it cover the beans and leave to soak for 1 hour. You can use this period to prepare the other things you need for the moi-moi. Once the time is up, you can check the softness of your beans with your hand or by testing. And that is it on how to peel your beans. Ensure you check the full video of how I make my oven baked moi moi.